Fresh pineapple with fresh mango, a tropical foodie combination. Today, on Grandma Bessie's house, we are taking you to the tropics and making our pineapple mango salsa. The recipe and its ingredients are in the video's description. To begin making our salsa, peel, remove core from, you see that core? You don't want it there. And dice pineapple. Add pineapple to a large container. Take a second to like and share this video. Check out our channel for other easy and delicious recipes. Also, subscribe below. This lets you know when we release new recipes. Peel, and dice mangoes. Add them to the container. Dice onion too. Add onions to the container. Remove seeds from, and mince jalapeno pepper. You know what to do. Gently combine. Add sugar or sugar substitute. Ground cinnamon, and red pepper flakes. Sprinkle these spices on top of the fruit mixture. Stir until the mixture is coated with the dried spices. Do you have a favorite tropical salsa? If so, let us know. Comment below the video. Grate lime zest over fruit and combine. Roughly chop cilantro or mint. We are using cilantro. And add cilantro or mint to the fruit mixture. Stir to combine. And add fresh lime juice, along with fresh lemon juice. If you like this recipe, give it a thumbs up and share it. Also, help our channel grow. Subscribe below the video. Cover salsa with an airtight lid and turn container upside down a few times to coat salsa with the citrus juice. Eat immediately, but best served when refrigerated a minimum of 3 hours. Imagining I'm in the tropics while eating this salsa. Thank you for watching another episode of Grandma Bessie's House.